Mathematics 6, Identifying the base and exponent, giving the value of exponential numbers. Let us have a review about multiplying whole numbers. Can you give the answer orally? Try to answer the following. Let's begin. Number 1. 2 times 2 equals n. What is your answer? The answer is 4. Number 2. 3 times 3 times 3 equals n. Do you have an answer? Correct. The answer is 27. Number 3. 10 times 10 times 10 equals n. What is your answer? Correct. The answer is 1,000. Very good. You are now ready. Do you believe that some sentences can be false? Let me show you some pictures. Read the sentences and tell me which is true and which is false. Are you ready? What can you see on the first picture? That is a Philippine map. How about on the second picture? That is a picture of General Emilio Aguinaldo. Now, tell me whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1. General Emilio Aguinaldo is the first president of the Philippine Republic. True. Very good. Number 2. The Philippines is in Southeast Asia. True. Very good again. Most Filipinos celebrate Christmas in the 10th month of the year. Is it true or false? Of course, that is false because we celebrate Christmas every 12th month of the year. Always remember, if sentences can be true or false, in mathematics, there are sentences that are either true or false. Now, let's move on to our new topic. Let us read this problem. Rhoda has to sew a 9 decimeter by 9 decimeter tablecloth for their square-shaped table in the living room. How big is the area of the tablecloth? Can you read the problem on your own? Let us now answer the following questions about the problem. How will you find the area of the tablecloth? First, we need to identify the formula in finding the area of a square. Why? Because the shape of the tablecloth is a square. And the formula in finding the area of a square is area is equal to side times side. What number sentence will be used to solve the problem? Again, the formula in finding the area of a square is area is equal to side times side. We're just going to substitute side by 9 decimeter since the measurement of the side of the tablecloth is 9 decimeter. Therefore, the number sentence is 9 times 9 equals n. Write the equation about the problem. The equation is 9 times 9 equals 81. How many times did you multiply 9 to get 81? The answer is 2 times. The product 9 times 9 can be written as 9 to the second power, where 9 is the base and 2 is the exponent. The exponent tells how many times the base is used as a factor to form a product. The base is the factor which is to be multiplied by itself the number of times indicated in the exponent to obtain the product. Again, 9 is the base and 2 is the exponent. 9 is the subscript and 2 is the superscript. Let us try to answer the following. Let us identify the base and exponent and solve for the value. 2 to the third power equals blank. Base is 2, exponent or power is 3. Write the given exponential number in expanded form. Since the exponent is 3, it means that we're going to write the base, which is 2, 3 times. So we can have 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, the value of 2 to the third power is 8. Let's now have another example. 4 to the second power equals blank. Base is 4. Exponent or power is 2. We're going to multiply 4 by itself 2 times because the exponent is 2. 4 times 4 equals 16. The value of 4 to the second power is 16. Next, 3 to the fourth power. Base is 3, exponent is 4. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, the value is equal to 81. Did you understand the lesson? Let's now have activity number 1. Identify the base and exponent and give the value of each of the following orally. Number 1, 2 to the fifth power. Number 2, 4 to the second power. Number 3, 7 to the second power. Number 4, 1 to the eighth power. And number 5, 3 to the third power. Did you get the correct answers? Good job! Activity number 2. Underline the best answer for each. 1. In 7 to the ninth power, the number 7 is the base exponent. 2. In 9 to the second power, the number 2 is written in subscript, superscript. Number 3. In 65 to the 8th power, the number 65 is written in normal, small size. Number 4. In 419 to the 7th power, the number 419 is the factor, tells how many times the factor is used. And number 5, in 63 to the second power, the number 2 is the factor, tells how many times the factor is used. Do you have an answer? Let's find out if your answers are correct. Good job! Activity number 3. Complete the table below. We have your exponential number, 2 to the 6th power, 7 to the 3rd power, and 11 to the 2nd power. You're just going to write the base, exponent, and value to complete the table. Are you done? Here are the answers. Are all your answers correct? Good job! Now, in 2 minutes, write down 3 exponential numbers. Write the base, exponent, and value. Can you please read your answers? Very good! You've learned a lot! If you really learned something, answer the following. How do we express numbers in exponential notation? How do we get the value of a number expressed in exponential notation? For your evaluation, complete the table by identifying the base and exponent and writing the value of each exponential number. Here are the correct answers. Are all your answers correct? Very good. Now, for your additional activity, give 5 numbers expressed in exponential notation, then give the value of each. Congratulations! I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching!